bright lights. The festival of Christmas is generally celebrated by not just but very everybody to celebrate the birth.